Hi there, welcome to Codeachive Learning. In the new tech industry, one of the most fascinating career paths is that of a full stack developer. The full stack development program is 190 hours long and is ideal for both fresh graduates and working professionals. With the help of this program, you can become a full stack developer, software engineer, analyst, web developer, Python engineer, and so on. Rapidly changing growth aspect, the program covers the technologies like HTML, core Java, CSS, Python, NumPy, scikit-learn, Matplotlib, Django, Angular, SQL, PyCharm, MongoDB, and so on. The program is curated into 90% practical and 10% theory format. That includes the various types of industry projects and case studies. After the program, we do offer the placement guarantee with resume preparation and mock interview prep. This course is designed by experienced faculties and industry experts who understand what it takes to succeed in today's rapidly evolving field. For this program, you can attend classroom training in our office, or you can join the lectures via an online live instructor. Let's start upskilling from today. Enroll now.